Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13.
No, really?
Yeah.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose.
Today I'm gonna be pulling an all-nighter. Kind of crazy. First, oh, he's not spending the night though, but he's gonna be here for like an hour or something. So, right now, time check. Do you have your phone with you?
7:30.
It's 7:34 and I'm going to pull an all-nighter until 4 a.m. 4 a.m. is when I'm cutting it. I'm gonna go to sleep at 4 a.m. because I have a big test tomorrow. But we're gonna do some fun things tonight. I'm gonna do some studying. I'm gonna go Christmas shopping online. Yeah, maybe we'll take like a bath or do face masks or something. We are gonna do some schoolwork right now. Actually no, we're gonna put sweaters on my dogs. Miss Rhonda got my dogs each one of these little handkerchief things. This side says naughty and this side says nice. So we will decide which dog gets which. What should Leo get?
Leo's naughty.
Leo's naughty? Oh, it's sweetie. I know. You're naughty! Look at how cute he is. My child. You can have nice. Because everybody bullies you. Okay, Brian's gonna do something that my dad always does. Ready? Go get him! Go! Go get him! Go! Go get him! Brian left. Now I'm all done with my homework. I had math homework, astronomy homework, and a little bit of English reading. I'm probably gonna go back over the astronomy homework before I go to bed for reals. Right now, I need to finish going Christmas shopping. I've got my laptop, and then I also have a cup of tea in a Yorkie mug. So good. I've gotten my mom her gift, my dad his gift, and my sister her gift. Also same with Brian. I've gotten everybody their gifts. The only person that I haven't gotten, oh actually no, there's a lot more I haven't gotten gifts for. Maddie, Lexi, Caitlin, Cassidy. So I'm gonna do some online shopping right now, but I just wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Karma. I've worked with Karma in so many videos in the past, but basically if you don't know what it is, it's a free app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or a coupon code. So I like to use Karma to help plan and organize my holiday shopping. I got my mom something for Christmas online. I used Karma and I ended up getting 15% off my gift or order. I'm gonna use it again today because I love saving money. Things are expensive, y'all, and you want to get the best deals on everything. I'm currently looking at this mascara for Catherine. She sent me like a whole Google Docs of her list and stuff, and so what I've been able to do with that is create a easy list that lets me know if any of these can have coupons applied to them. So it's really easy. All you do is go to Google Chrome. I don't use Safari, I only use Google Chrome. And you're gonna download the Chrome extension for Karma. I'm gonna hit the top one, and from there all you have to do is hit add to Chrome. Doesn't take that long, because now that you have this extension, anytime that you're shopping, there's going to be a little blue button on the side of your screen that you can move up and down so that when you see an item you can actually save it. Right now I'm going to save the Bad Gal Bang mascara to her list. I've already made lists that are designated to my mom, my dad, my sister, and then my friends. It makes holiday shopping 10 times easier. Something that's become really popular is the Dyson Airwrap. I've looked everywhere for it, but it is sold out. This is where Karma comes in. You can get notifications via email or push whenever an item that you've saved on your Karma account is back in stock or on sale or there's a price drop. These are a bunch of my lists. Like I said, I made one for each of my family members. Also, I've saved so much money shopping for gifts. When you are purchasing something, Karma scans the web for coupon codes and applies them automatically at checkout. I think that's the coolest thing ever because there are codes out there that exist that you may not even think twice of, but Karma knows and they've got your back. And this is a special feature if you're using Karma on your computer, so the Chrome extension is a must. And the best part about this all is when you shop from select retail partners, Karma gives cash back to you and to a good cause. I'm gonna buy this right now. I'm also gonna buy some things for Lexi and Maddie. I'm not gonna show you guys what I'm getting though because I don't want to take a risk in case they watch my videos, but Catherine, if you're watching this, you know that I'm getting you the mascara. but there's also more gifts I'm gonna get you, so don't worry. I will see you guys once I'm done shopping. Right now it's 9:47. As a friendly reminder, at the end of the video, click the link in the description and download the Chrome extension and use Karma because it will change your life, you guys. Sorry if I look very scary. It's 10:51. Shopping completed. Maddie, Lexi, I got your gifts. I really hope that you guys end up liking it. Also, I hope it gets in time because there's like a bunch of shipping delays and stuff. I'm gonna take my makeup off right now and then we're gonna do a face mask. And while my face mask is on, I'm gonna take a bath. We've got like a whole thing going on. Also, I need to brush my teeth and put in my retainers. But we're gonna start off with taking off my makeup. These are probably the most ghetto makeup wipes, but whatever, we're gonna use them. Oh, you guys, I don't know how I've made it this far with Vlogmas. Like, in all honesty, I have been so stressed, but Vlogmas is like the only thing keeping me going. School is just kicking my butt. This is the Pixie Beauty Milky Remedy Mask. I've done this before a couple of times by myself and also one time with Brian. I made him do a face mask with me. This is what it looks like. It's not a peel off. It's like a gel that you just like wash off your face after a couple of minutes. But my favorite thing is on the side, it comes with this little spatula thing that you can apply it with. This is my new Christmas merch. I just got the package of all my new merch and I'm gonna be wearing it throughout the next couple of videos. So get your Caroline Manning merch down below so we can twin. This one is my intro song, Crackling Wood All Season, which is also my original song called Single This Season. I'm really excited. Literally the merch is so comfortable. I wish I could wear this to school, but this would not be allowed. But if I could wear it, I would wear it every single day to school. This face mask does look a little sus, but I didn't say it. I literally have leggings and then these Christmas socks on. I'm done with my face mask. It says to leave this on for a minimum of 10 minutes. I'm gonna turn on the bath water right now and light a candle, and we are going to have a relaxing 25-30 minutes in the bathtub. So I'll probably be finished around like 11:30, to be honest. Let's do this. Out of the bath, that was amazing. I took off my face mask too. Face is all clean. I'm gonna pop in my retainers really quick and then we are going to moisturize the heck out of my face. Yeah, we'll figure out what we're gonna do from there. It's almost 11:30. It's like, I think it's like 2 more minutes till 11:30, but we have a lot of time to make it till 4 a.m. So we're gonna find stuff to do. Call me an actual child. Which, by the way, you have rightfully so. I'm going to color a child's coloring book. Well, I went to Hobby Lobby the other day and picked up this like 69-cent coloring book. And I already colored one page, so I'm gonna show you guys. Look. And if my boyfriend is watching this, I promise I'm normal. I'm gonna be the one to say it. Instead of going on your phone or watching TV, do a puzzle or do a coloring book because it will exercise parts of your brain that need to be exercised, and also we don't need to be on our screens all the time. So today I'm gonna color this gingerbread man and I will do this game thing on the next page, dots and boxes, with whoever I hang out with next. Right now it's 12:04. I'm not even tired, y'all. I'm not even tired, so I think I can actually do this all-nighter. I'm a little scared though because I have 2 tests tomorrow, one in math and one in astronomy, but it'll be chill. Okay, twistables are so elite and you can't change my mind. I literally hate how you have to resharpen colored pencils, where with these, you literally just twist it. It is so genius. Mom.
He's quiet, please.
It's so late. You're joking. My dog is crying and my mom just called me to let him out and go to the bathroom. This is ridiculous.
Oh, please don't turn the light on.
Come on, let's go. You are such a bad dog, Leo. Let's see how long it takes him. Leo gets really scared of the dark. Like, he hates fireworks, he hates smoke alarm detectors, but he also really hates the dark. When it gets darker outside, he literally does his business and like runs back so fast. What are you doing? Back to my coloring. Let's finish the gingerbread. Y'all, I've been editing for the past hour and a half. It's 1:59. We are almost 2 hours away from going to sleep. I have to sneeze, hold on. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I felt that. Got the blue light glasses on because, you know, your girl is struggling. But anyways, my ankle just popped. Who heard that? I need to study for astronomy, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be done editing. I'll just do it tomorrow because I really don't want to keep editing any longer. I'm kind of tired. So I'm going to study my astronomy. I have to do this tomorrow. It's important constellations, and then there's stars, and I have to get up in front of the class and like point where it's at in the sky and say all of that. Really, really nervous. This pumpkin candle though is keeping me going. Look at that, so cute. Y'all, I don't know if I can make it till 4 a.m. now that I think about it. I might do like 30 minutes of studying and then go to bed, because this probably isn't smart. I should have done this on a different day. It's 4:10 in the morning. I'm like so excited. Got a random burst of energy because I didn't think I was gonna make it this long, but like, you know what? My boyfriend texted me a couple hours ago before he went to bed and said he's gonna bring me summer moon tomorrow, so that's what's driving me. Actually, it's today because it is 4 a.m. So I'm gonna wake up and like, my alarm is set for 6, so I'm probably gonna get 2 hours of sleep. We'll see. Yeah, but I'll see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas anyways, so I'm not really gonna be going anywhere. Anyways, if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day. Don't do drugs, stay in school, and I love y'all. Ciao.
Tradition, moving marathon for one was always much more